Do you see him now? Oh yes, sir, I see him. There he is. Great. Oh no, I think I lost him again. What? How could you let that happen? Yeah, right, like I gotta follow up for that the fourth time? Yeah, you can just go ahead and take a crowbar. Ow, ow! Ugh, why? What's the reason? Where is he? He's going to his restaurant. Looks like he got food for it. Now he's taking it there. Follow them. What should we do when we get to them? Destroy them all. I don't care. Just get that truck. Yes, sir. Alright. Get the guns ready. We're going in.
See to it like this. Taxi cab is mad at us, but he won't last. Rolling down highway. Let me go. The morning sun is on its way. It's time to go. Hey, chocolate my car. Chocolate my car. Chocolate my coffee. Chocolate my car. Oh, chocolate my car.
Okay, here we are.
Oh, so this is your restaurant?
Yeah. What about it?
Well, the name is kinda,
It's a great name, right? I love the design of the name, just like the design of my hat. It's just so great.
yeah, actually, no. Did you ever think about remodeling?
What are you talking about? No way.
Well, okay, I wish I could go in with you, but I can't really fit through the door.
Good. I'm glad. Get away from you.
Alright then, that's okay. So, grab the stuff out the back and...
The 2 barrels of grass and get a chicken meat. Grab that. Alright, back. Okay, chef, what's up?
You see, very good, yeah. But, we're running out of supplies very fast. We need, a lot of the supplies.
That's fine, because I got 2 barrels of grass. 2 barrels of grass and chicken.
Or what, chicken? That'll do, but barrels of grass, I cannot work with this.
Well,
Is that all you got? Just those 3 little things?
well, yeah, but, that's a lot, isn't it?
I can hardly even feed 3 people with that. Are you crazy?
Oh. Do you have anything left? Otherwise, besides this?
Well, kind of, but, I suppose I can work with it. The customers won't really like grass, though.
It's nice and natural and healthy, though.
Oh, okay. Since when do you care about that?
Well, let's just say I talked to some people.
I don't care. Let's just get this over with. Okay, order up. Okay. How do I work with this grass and make a little grassy meatiness? Okay, we got some new thing on the menu.
Yeah, what is it?
We call it grassy meatiness souffle.
Okay.
So go on and talk to them.
Alright. Okay. Oh, hello. What do you have today? We have a nice grassiness, meatiness souffle-ish. That sounds kind of interesting. I guess I'll have that. Alright, I'll be right there. Looks like all other customers are taken care of. And an interesting kind of customers. Yes. Alright, we need one grassy media souffle.
Yeah, the one grassy media souffle coming up.
Okay, here we go. I'll take it over there. Here you go. Oh, thanks. Wow. Okay. Hello, sir, and what would you like? I'll ask you again. Hello, sir. What would you like? 10 pounds cake. Okay, I'll see what we can do. We need 10 pounds of cake.
What do you think I cannot work with these people? This is unacceptable. You're crazy.
Okay, sir. I got the guns all ready. Good. We're barging in there and we're gonna take this guy out. Okay, sir. Hey, what's going on?
We're gonna take you out. This whole building's coming down with you in it.
What? Get out of here! You can't talk to me like that. Now, if you want to order something, you better think of a nicer way to talk to me. Okay, sir, I'm ready. Good. Shoot. Oh, 10-pound cake! We're 10-pound cake. This not 10-pound cake. What are you doing to my restaurant?
We're taking it out. Now I'm gonna go get the rocket launcher.
I can't wait to see the boss's face when he finds out we destroyed the restaurant completely. This is gonna be great. This whole restaurant is going up in flames. That's not very nice. Exactly.
Oh, hey, looks like you're having some, remodeling trouble. Need any help?
Oh yeah, I could use a lot of help. Let's start by... There's a truck! Let's get it!
I think you better quick hop in.
Oh, they're after us! We gotta get that truck. Yes, sir. Let's go. After it. It's getting away! Stand out of the sunroof and shoot at him! Okay, sir. Oh, come on!
Oh, this ain't so great. Let's get out of here.
Don't lose him!
Yeah, let's hit the highway again. Yeah, let's go.